Your bank account is blocked in Poland. What should you do step by step? My name is Jakub Przybylski, barrister at Dudkowiak Putyra Business Lawyers, working on financial and criminal cases. In Poland, accounts are usually blocked under anti-money laundering regulations when a transaction is flagged as suspicious. For example, large transfers with no clear business justification, international payments to high-risk jurisdictions, or unusual activity on a new account. At the beginning, the bank can block your account for up to 72 hours. After that, the prosecutor may extend the block, even up to 3 months. During this time, your funds are frozen, you cannot make payments, and your business operations may be disrupted. Step 1. Identify the reason for the block and secure the documentation. Step 2. Contact the bank immediately and respond to any requests. Step 3. Prepare a legal explanation of the source of funds and transactions. Step 4. If the prosecutor is involved, take legal action without delay. The biggest mistake? Doing nothing and waiting. In practice, this only makes the situation worse. At Dudkowiak Putyra Business Lawyers, we support clients in bank account blocking cases in Poland, helping them react quickly and restore access to their funds.